Hey everyone, and welcome to an exciting update for trades of the day. I trust you are all doing super splendid as you should be. Today was a really fun day and some good opportunities out there. Let's go talk about them. So first and foremost, just a quick update. We got Lulu out here and Lulu is doing fine. So trend looks nice, nothing really to massively concern ourselves with. So we're just going to kind of keep hanging out on Lulu, let that just slowly keep trading higher. Yeah, so that's one trade that we're in. As far as a swing trade put sale that we probably should talk about is Alcoa. So Alcoa has just been on an absolute tear. And we had a $40 put sale for May. And the challenge slash benefit with this is most of the premium is already gone. We could probably buy it back for 20 cents, but I think at this point it's probably best just to hold off, wait until earnings. Something like this is entirely possible on Alcoa. But I mean, really, with 50 cents on those put sales, I think it's just going to be best to do our best to wait on that one and just let it expire worthless or buy it back for a little bit cheaper. But either way, it's a nice one, looks good, and things are hanging out. Facebook has some good movement today. We got a longer term put sale on Facebook down there at 145 for July, which filled at 450. So that's still looking nice. Here's Acacia, ACIA. So I had a little bit of a pop on Acacia today. It was also good. We bought back our Tesla and Square, also up 4%. So right now things are looking pretty good. So if we go over to the swing trades, what we have here is we looked at Lulu. Fitbit might be a loser, but again, we got a long time to wait on that one. That's a $5 put sale, and we have no stop on it. So it's just pure 65-cent limit buy, and it's over earnings. So, Fitbit has bad earnings, and then maybe we can make a small gain on that one. And IQ. So IQ had a little bit of a pop at one point today, made some good movement. So 1655. Some volume kind of picking up. Here's what the hourly chart looks like. Hourly chart looks good. So I think we're going to continue to hold IQ for a bit, but that one triggered today as well. Dropbox DBX. So here's the daily, and Dropbox still not triggering, but I still like it a lot. So let's continue to keep our eyes on Dropbox. And then here's Hess. So Hess is up real nicely today. Beautiful fill. Very nice move, just a solid play on Hess. I really love the trade that we took on that one. Ultimate target, I would really like to get it to 59.17, so I'm just going to kind of be a little bit patient with that one and just let it do its thing, but ultimately see if we can sell Hess at that 200 simple moving average. FCX also had some good pops today, so that was a very nice gap, so we're in FCX bullish, and hopefully that'll slowly continue up. So FCX looks really good. And Valero, VLO. Valero filled yesterday kind of late towards the afternoon. That one gapped up, and that one's working nicely. And Fossil, FOSL, is also up a little bit as well, just very small. We figured that this one's going to be, an interesting one to keep our eyes on. So what is unique about this is we have pretty much across the board a lot of really bullish positions and a lot of positions that are making some good profits so far. Let's just keep hanging on and seeing out what else we can find. So let's go look at NVIDIA, NVDA, and NVIDIA had a very nice gap today. I want to see how it was going to close today with this movement. So it looks like the candle's a little bit bigger than I want, so I'm going to wait on that. Facebook, however, we are in a put sale on Facebook, but I'm thinking let's also see if we can snag a bullish pullback like this. Again, this was a nice little breakout today. Bullish limit buy with a stop somewhere down here at 155. So I'll put that in there. So again, nice candle, good volume, breaking above. I like it. So today is the 10th, 2018, Facebook, and 161.75 with a stop loss at 155.49. Again, you're welcome to play that however you see fit. But I would like to see that get a little bit of a pullback that's based on a retest gap open because it's not triggered yet. And we will throw that one in there. And then SNDR, this is Schneider. I was seeing if Schneider National was going to break below the 200, but that has not happened yet. So we can kind of wait on that one and just let that one end up doing its thing. Let's see. So I'm going to go pull up my scanner on my other charts. So Momo, MOMO, nope, didn't do well. OKTA. So we were in this one not too long ago, nothing really there. Again, Apple had a really nice move today, so Apple's up a little bit higher. And then of course we got the SPY today up 1.59%. That one had a decent gap. On the hourly chart. So here's the hourly time frame. So it looks like we could pull back on that one potentially. It's at a little bit of resistance. BABA. So BABA was a pretty good move, and I do like the gap a lot on BABA. And there's a little bit of a gap and go. So let's do this. Let's see if we can snag some kind of pullback on BABA. I set a stop like this. So this is a buy low, sell high setup. So we don't know if it's going to work or not, but we never know for sure. What I can say is, again, we're up pretty nicely for April right now with a few of our trades really working out well. But they're a little bit longer term, a little bit of a wider stop, with this very volatile market. Day trading obviously was just fantastic today. So many opportunities out there, just loads and loads of trade setups. I mean, it's fantastic stuff. But I think it's a good setup based on the gap and go, open because it's not triggered yet. And there we go. So obviously we don't want to have too much risk exposure out there as well. So if at any point you feel like, and if you're running out of buying power, or you have too many open positions and everything's working really well, and you need to close it down to lock in a profit, that's totally fine. The one we likely will get a retest on Fossil tomorrow, something like this is probably exactly what's going to happen. And if we get stopped out on that one, that's okay. But we do have some other trades that are working out really well. So let's just keep holding on to the winners. We'll see what we got. We cut the losers or the ones that aren't performing as well. We'll cut those a little bit faster, and just continue to keep an eye on the rest of the markets out there. But anyway, thanks so much for being here for Trades of the Day, folks. I hope you've been having an absolute splendid time, and I will check back with you guys tomorrow. All right, bye.